In this video, I'll show you how to use OneXBet birthday promo code. This is simple. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So, in your birthday on OneXBet, you always receive a birthday promo code. So, how do you use it? The promo code is a code that you can come over here and load it. So, all you have to do is come over to Best Sleep and click on Load Best Sleep. Once you click on Load Basic, if you have the code, just go ahead and paste the code and then upload it. Once you upload it, OneXBet is going to show the games of that day that they are giving you to bet for free. I can go ahead and place your bet. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.